This is the project demonstration for the Computer Science 424 Visualization and Visual Analytics project SweetHomeChicago. If you click the link, it'll take you to the main page of the application, and what you'll see right away is a large map of Chicago, color-coded. This application was designed for a screen size of 8,000 by 2,000 pixels wide. It's really, really big. So to facilitate being able to view things, as you mouse over a region of one of the community regions, you'll see right away that the community names enlarge, are a little bit more visible. Everything is color-coded, as I mentioned before. You'll also see at the start of the page load is a graph of the population of Chicago as a whole. Below, let me zoom in. You've got for each racial group, so non-Hispanic, white or Caucasian, African American, Asian, Hispanic, Alaskan or Native Americans, multiracial, and others, as well as the age groups that this population demographic fits, so between 0 and 9 up to 70 and over. Right now we're looking at the combined total, so this is everybody, both male and female members of Chicago. If you zoom out a little bit, as I said, this is for a gigantic screen. One of the options that this application allows you to do is to get specific information about the population demographics of a particular area, community area in Chicago. For instance, if we wanted to see North Park, first thing that'll happen is the region on the map will highlight and will get bold so it's easy to see. And then if you scroll down here, you'll see that a chart, a graph of the population, in this case the combined population for North Park, appears in a slightly different color scale just to make it stand out. But what if we wanted to see the population of a district, say central Chicago? Well, double click it. First thing you'll see is that these areas here, they enlarge, just to indicate that they've been selected. The whole area has been selected. And then another chart pops up, in this case right in the middle. So it's oriented as Chicago as a whole, a selected district, and the selected community area, all within the same age scale. Different color codings just to make it kind of stand out a little bit. No, perhaps not. Another feature of this application is you are able to select multiple areas. So let me zoom out really far. If I wanted to compare two districts, I'd simply select another one. In this case, double-clicking on the label name will immediately pop up another graph right next to adjacent to the first graph you selected. And for what the heck, why not? Let's take a look at a third graph. Well, there you go. Pops up. Same can be done with community areas. You can select, as you see, to pop up. But I think that I would rather see a region rather than somewhere in the southwest loop. Let's take a look at this area down here, South Deering. So what you'll notice immediately is that area updated. I can change it, and it'll change that graph in place. Or it also allows you to, since I'm limited to only 3 selections at a time, it'll kind of follow your mouse. You can also change it. Same can be done for locations, or for districts. And you can also select districts you can select communities within districts. You're not limited to that. If we wanted to see what was going on in 3 of the communities within the south side of Chicago. Or we can deselect it and move along to a different area. Come on. There we go. We can also change the population demographic. So right now, as I said, we're looking at the combined population, both male and female. If we wanted to just look at female population, just click Change Population button, and it changes. Do it again, and it'll change to the male. And we can push it again, and it'll bring us back to where we want to go. So that is the gist of my application. Thanks for watching.